Imagine waking up in a world where cancer is treated before symptoms appear, where your voice commands not just your phone, but the entire city around you. Well, guess what? That world isn't 10 years away. It's happening now. In today's video, we're diving into the 10 breakthrough technologies of 2025 that will redefine our lives forever. Technology doesn't just evolve, it explodes. Each year we witness leaps so massive, it feels like science fiction. But what's truly shaping 2025? We've gathered the most disruptive innovations. From quantum computers and AI-generated drugs to fusion power and CRISPR 3.0, if you want to see the future, keep watching. Because these aren't just cool gadgets. They're changing how we live, heal, work, and think. 10. CRISPR 3.0. Rewriting the human code. You've heard of gene editing? But CRISPR 3.0 isn't just editing, it's rewriting. In 2025, scientists are now able to not only remove disease-causing genes, but also insert protective ones. This means potential immunity to inherited diseases before birth. Imagine a world where cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, or even some cancers are history. 9. Quantum computing goes commercial. Quantum supremacy was once a lab experiment. But now companies like IBM and Google are rolling out quantum computing as a service. It's like renting a super brain capable of cracking codes, optimizing supply chains, and solving problems that would take classical computers millions of years. The quantum race is on, and it's about to touch every industry you can think of. 8. AI-generated medicine. Custom drugs in days. Traditional drug development takes years, but AI is changing that. In 2025, we're seeing the rise of AI-designed drugs created in days, not decades. Biotech firms are using machine learning to simulate billions of molecules and predict how they'll interact with the human body before ever entering a lab. That means faster vaccines, targeted cancer treatments, and potentially a new age of personalized medicine. 7. Brain-computer interfaces, direct mind control. What if you could type just by thinking? Brain-computer interfaces are no longer sci-fi. In 2025, real-world applications are emerging, letting paralyzed patients control robotic arms and allowing users to interact with tech hands-free. Startups like Neuralink and Synchron are battling to connect our brains to the digital world. The era of thought-powered computing has begun. 6. Fusion energy. The dream gets real. Clean, unlimited, zero carbon. That's the promise of fusion energy, and in 2025 we're closer than ever. Startups like Helion and Commonwealth Fusion are building compact fusion reactors, backed by billions in investment. It's not just a lab dream anymore, it's inching toward commercial reality. This could be the game changer for the climate crisis. 5. Synthetic embryos? No egg, no sperm. Scientists have now created synthetic embryos from stem cells. No sperm, no egg involved. While still in early stages, this raises incredible possibilities and deep ethical questions. Could this solve infertility, organ shortages, or are we opening Pandora's box? One thing's for sure, the debate is just getting started. 4. Generative AI for science. Think ChatGPT, but for science. In 2025, generative AI tools are helping researchers write code, generate experiments, and even make scientific hypotheses. It's like having a 24/7 lab assistant fueled by data. We're not just speeding up discovery, we're amplifying human intelligence. 3. Smart cities with digital twins. Imagine cities that can simulate themselves in real time. Digital twins are virtual replicas of real-world environments. In 2025, they're helping governments reduce traffic, prevent blackouts, even predict infrastructure failures before they happen. This is urban science on steroids. 2. Programmable matter, shape-shifting materials. Programmable matter is real and it's growing fast. From military uniforms that adapt to the environment to tools that reshape themselves for different tasks, this is sci-fi becoming science. 1. Personal AI agents. Finally, meet your future best friend, your AI. In 2025, we're seeing personal AI agents that learn from you, work with you, even think like you. They can schedule your day, write your emails, or brainstorm ideas with you. It's the ultimate productivity partner and maybe something more. The age of AI companionship has begun. The future isn't coming. It's already here, coded in quantum bits, grown in labs, and whispered by artificial minds. Which of these 10 technologies excited you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve, subscribe to Sciencepect and turn on the bell, because the future doesn't wait. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.